Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then divide the rest of the hair into two parts. Make two ponytails out of it. Take the right section of the hair, pull it through the top left side. Take the left section of the hair, pull it through the top right side until all of the sections of the hair are consumed. Pin up the excess underneath and then add decorative pins to the top of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Repeat this step one or two more times until you reach the base of the scalp. Now, once you reach the base of the scalp, begin to braid the hair normally. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it and then roll it upwards, make it into a bun, pin it up in place using multiple decorative pins. Take the top section of the hair, divide it into three parts and then begin to make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band after you are done. Gather all of the hair together at the bottom, make a ponytail out of it. Add a rubber band to the bottom section as well. Roll this up into a bun and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Make sure that you make a bun out of it and then on top of this, use a four-pronged decorative pin to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself. Gather all of the hair together at the bottom and tie a ponytail out of it. Add a rubber band in the middle section of this and roll the hair in through this section. Roll this up into a bun, and then on top of all of this, you may use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into three parts, taking the middle section of it, begin to make a braid out of it. On the left and the right side of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle section of it, roll the hair in on itself, and now gather the hair all together, add a rubber band to it, roll it up into a bun, and then fasten it up in place. On top of this, you may also use a decorative pin in order to do so. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then use this bun rubber band around it. Now, divide this ponytail into two parts and then wrap it all around the bun rubber band that you had chosen. Now, taking the excess amount of hair that is present, firstly begin to wrap it around your bun. Now, begin to loosen sections of the hair from your bun in order to make it look all the more better and add volume to it. Add a decorative clip at the bottom of this. Tie a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into two parts. Taking the top section of it, add a rubber band to the middle section of this, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Now put the second section through first as such, and now lift it up in order to make this bow. Comb the hair into place and adjust it as need be, and now spread it out to give it a more aesthetically appealing look. Add a decorative twine to a ponytail of the hair and now wrap the hair around this twine as such. Once you reach the bottom and it is all twisted, you may roll it up into a bun and then adjust the decorative piece as need be. However, before you do so, make sure you add a rubber band to the bottom of it so that you make it stay. Now, after you've rolled it up into a bun, this is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together, then take a hair twine, wrap the hair around this hair twine and then tighten it as such. To begin with, take it from the bottom and then roll it upwards as such. After you roll it upwards, wrap it around as you please and then make it look like what you want to. Adjust the decorative piece as need be. We have adjusted it to make it stand at the top. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Now, taking your hair twine, wrap the hair around this hair twine as such. After you have wrapped the hair around the hair twine, add a rubber band to the base of it as such. Now, roll this up into a bun. After you have rolled it up into a bun, add the decorative piece on one side of it. This will make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.